Hello? Mommy? You're sending what?
Oh my God!
You called and told me, anak ko, we sent you balikbayan box. I jumped and screamed, imagining having all those foreign products. I'll have coffee mate, lotion, chocolate, shampoo, even if I'm kalbo. Second hand damit, I don't care, I still want it as long as there's brand name to show. I'm getting balikbayan box sent to me from my mama abroad. I will wait for a whole 2 months. All those pasalubong coming to me, and I hope Canadian money. I waited for your door to door, it came, I handled it with care.
It's so heavy!
Frank said so excited to smell that North American air. But there was so much tape, I could not open it, with rope tied around the whole box. Address written everywhere as if we're blind over here, and OA naman yung padlocks. I got my balikbayan box, I waited for it for 2 months. I bet it's full of awesome stuff, some Colgate and new briefs, imported corned beef. I got my balikbayan box, so full of imported products. I know I will feel so social, parang foreigner lang, thanks to my mommy. I'll have Nikes on my feet. After using lots of force, I finally managed to get in. There's so much newspaper, good Lord, on Toronto Mayor Robert Ford. Excited for the gifts within, I started to dig deep inside. And when I finally got within, I just could not believe my eyes. I just want to say to my dear mommy, I will always love you. But I got my balikbayan box, and everything inside it sucks. Some medicine for chicks and pox, holy water in case of what? Conjuring. You sent all of oregano. Ano to? A winter coat in case it snows. It's so hot. A pair of sexy pantyhose. Ay nako, what is this? Melted ice cream. And this, always with wings. Ay nako, medyas that stink.